Hello guys, you're welcome back to NAIJA News and Entertainment. Obi Chukwu confesses love to Ebiteinye with emotional message. Obi Chukwu shared a love photo with his lover Ebiteinye as he showered her with romantic words. The couple who discovered themselves from the Ultimate Love reality show season 1. They were known as Obiebi. Obi, who seems like a godly person, and Ebiteinye on the other is a lively lady who loves music and party. They started their love in the house with disagreements over each other's character. Obi, who loves Ebi so much, took time to work on her character and insisted she should stay away from worldly things. Despite not making it to the final, the lovebirds have continued to show fans they have found their ultimate love. Taking to his page, Obi wrote, "I am Ebiteinye, you are my Champions League. Vow to God to only call you this in private. My Champions League, I ask myself if I can ever outdo you. Doubt if your heart is that of a woman. The way you love me is so divine. I know there has to be God in it. I pray to love you just as Christ loves the church. Ebiteinye, I got you as he leads me." Alright guys, stay tuned to my channel for more updates from your favorite ultimate love couple.